Got one? Oh yeah. Who won?
Oh, nice little jump. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Fisherman Cut. Yo, I figured I'd do this intro now because I am in line. And player, I tell you, this damn line is like wrapped around the block, inside a parking lot, zigzag out the parking lot, going back towards the freeway. Anyway, we have Fin and Feather today. Shout out to Dog and Outdoors. Thank you for the invite. I'll see you whenever I get in the lake. One more thing. What is up with that? 33 degrees? Oh my goodness. Yeah. I don't know if I'm fully prepared for this. All right, we getting our weapons. Just so y'all know, it is very peoply. Very peoply. But it's gonna be a good time. Nice little jump.
Damn. Yeah. He saw the net and was like, oh, hell. Oh, look at him crossing the line.
Oh.
Oh, he's under it. He's under it. Oh, the big one. The big
Oh, good
one.
stuff, bro. That's a nice one.
Let him run it. Let him run it. Bigger than mine.
Let him run.
Head up.
There you go. Congrats, bro.
Who has a scale? Let me get a picture of this. Hey, look at your fish right here. I love this thing. Hey, Charles,
there you go, bro.
That's it right there.
Yeah. Watch your head.
Oh, you're gonna buy right here, right here. Who's this? You hold on to go in the water.
Who's that? Who's that?
Hey, it's a good one. Your pole's about to go in the water, bro.
Joe!
Here,
You gotta go.
I don't want to take his fish.
That's the first time I've seen him run.
That's a good one, bro. Here.
Go ahead, Joe.
Here.
Hey, nice one, Jacob. Do you wanna? You got it? Do you wanna set your pole?
And can I borrow some of this spray? Yeah.
Keep him up.
Oh!
Keep his head up. There you go. Keep that weight out of the water.
He's a good fighter, though.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah.
You got him, Joe. Good one. Oh.
There you go.
Oh, jumper.
There you go, Joe. Hey, yo, what up? I didn't see you at first.
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
What's up? Y'all got anything? Nah, I just got here. Well, I was over there on Dock with a couple of guys.
Which one, Penny?
I don't know which one I was on. I just chill with him for a bit. I was going to leave, and I was like, just walk down here and see what it looks like.
Sad.
Yeah. Yeah. I gotta warm myself up. Well, that's about it. No fish for me today, but plenty fish were caught. Thanks again to Dog 'em Outdoors for the invite. So what's you guys' honest opinion about fin and feather? If you decide to give your opinion, please be respectful in the comment section. So I'm gonna start off by saying I understand that this was opening day and this is my very first experience at the lake. But I think it's a little bit gimmicky. And I say that because the lake is very exclusive. You have to be a member in order to fish here. And if you're not a member, you must be invited by a member and then you will pay a fee at the gate in order to get in. Now with that said, just know the fish are in here. They're in here thick. They plant a lot of fish and a lot of people catch. But the problem is the people that are catching are the ones that are in the prime locations. And what are the prime locations? The docks and for a boat. But the thing is, everybody don't have access to that, which makes it very people-y. You know, everybody is forced to fish right on top of each other. So it makes fishing very difficult. So basically you're waiting, hoping and praying that somebody's gonna move off their spot after they get their limit and you can sneak in real fast. So your success really depends on who you know, and how much money you're willing to spend, and how much the person you know is willing to spend. I could be completely wrong on that, but that's my opinion. Hopefully I haven't offended anybody. I'm just trying to open a conversation so that those that don't know anything about fin and feather, but's been thinking about it, been hearing rumors about it, and they ready to come out of pocket for it. You know, let's just open up a conversation and be pretty honest and let them know what it's really about. If it's way better than this experience that I've had, leave it in the comment section below. If it's similar to what I said, leave it in the comment section below. Again, shout out to Dog 'em Outdoors and the Fish Seeker. Both those guys are pretty cool. They have YouTube channels. I'm gonna link them at the end of this video. Go check those guys out. And like I said, every time I see the Fish Seeker, that dude is always killing them. So when I saw him and he wasn't killing them, I knew something was wrong. With that said, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And like always, if I don't see you out on the water, I'll catch you next video. Peace out.